From dissecting hearts to launching rockets, students at Knox Middle School are getting their hands dirty with some serious science. The school's annual iSTEM week allows students to showcase their science skills.
In tonight's Innovate 8, CBS 8's Abby Black takes us inside the classrooms where the next generation of scientists is already making discoveries.
Put your thinking caps on, science fans. This week, Knox Middle School is transforming into a cutting-edge laboratory where students are diving deep into hands-on STEM experiences that are anything but ordinary, from dissecting a sheep's heart to rocket launches.
This is like the back of their brain.
Inside this eighth grade classroom, students are combining brains and heart to better understand human anatomy.
We have a heart, and we dissected it.
Not just any heart, a real sheep's heart, giving these young scientists hands-on experience.
Might be disgusting at first, but once you start dissecting it and getting used to it, it's pretty normal now, and it's pretty fun.
Nyla Garcia and her classmate Journey Johnson are among dozens of students showcasing their projects during Knox Middle School's annual iSTEM week.
I love about science is you get to build stuff. And you get to create your own imagination.
Educators say that this project-based approach is transforming how students connect with complex concepts.
I believe hands-on activity will better your learning.
Across the hall, 7th graders demonstrate the principles of kinetic energy.
The marble, so the marble can roll over, go down, do a twirl, and come out.
By engineering intricate marble runs with dominoes. For students like Asua Kinomatis, this is more than just a fun experiment. They're gateways to deeper scientific understanding.
Potential energy is really important, especially when it comes down to how you want the kinetic energy to transfer.
Rotation 5 is now happening for the showcase.
Meanwhile, Miss Claudia Pruitt's 6th graders are reaching for the stars with their lunar colony project.
So this is our air filter.
Now, when these students gaze at the night sky, they see more than just stars.
There's ice on the moon, and that they're using it to go to Mars.
Pruitt, primarily a math teacher, says that STEM Week reveals new dimensions in her students.
That, to me, is beautiful to see kids who are usually shy and they hold back during math class, that they just come out during this week.
In a field historically dominated by white men, these diverse classrooms show students of all backgrounds weaving their futures in STEM.
Si se puede, yes, you can, yes, we can, right?
I have a single father at home that always tells me you can do whatever you want to do unless you put your mind into it.
For Innovate 8,